Alright, the water's still high in the river, but it's down enough to where I got beach to look. And man, look at this. This was probably out to about right here. And it's went back in 5 foot here. I found a few flakes laying here, but not much. There's not even much rock coming out of it, but there'll be something here. But I got an artifact, and man, I almost stepped on it. It's really camouflaged, and it's a bone piece. And I've looked all over this extensively and kind of raked around in places. There has to be a shell in here someplace, because I got a piece of bone and it looks like an awl. I can't tell for sure, but I'd say it's what it is, like a trigger awl. It's right here. I was walking right up through here and I turned around up there and saw it and walked right by it the first pass, but it's pretty camouflaged. We'll see what we got here. That's definitely what it is. Look at that. Oh, it's a little trigger awl. Look at that. That's what it is. Oh man, that's pretty nice. Man, look at the coloring on that. It's like patinated weird. It's got like, oh wow, that's cool. That's pretty nice. That's a centerpiece. Do an Arrowhead frame right in the middle with another nice blade or something. Wow, that's nice. Alright, well, I am on the board. And that's a cool find for me, and I don't find much. Only where there's middens do I find any of this. And I don't have much, maybe one frame of bone stuff. Later. Alright, I'm back. I'm still out walking. Water's still kind of high, but as you can see, there's exposed fire pits and stuff. It looks real good. I got my gloves off for a reason. Got a point or something. It looks like a point to me, but I can't tell. It's in the ground. I got some pictures of it close up. I was just trying to look in this stuff real good, see if I spotted anything else. It looks odd. It's just a rock, I think. But where'd it go? Okay, right here. See that? It looks like there's a notch right there, and that's the base. It's nice material. See what we got. Oh, it's a pretty nice point. It looks like a Morrow Mountain, maybe. I don't find many of these either. Well, I don't really look newer sites. I just, oh, that's kind of nice. Might have a little base neck, but it's a pretty solid little point. I'll get some pictures, and man, I shouldn't have put my hand in the water. That's cold. I'm gonna get my gloves back on. I'll get some good pictures of this. Later. Alright, I'm back. Got another find. Check it out. A street paver, it says wheeling on it. Wheeling block. So we're gonna take this. Oh, they're thick and they're hard to get out of the ground. You saw when I was metal detecting all these street pavers and them sidewalks and stuff, I do the same. Save all these and make, yep, wheeling block. We take that. It's gonna suck carrying that out of here, but I don't leave a one of them. I take every one of these. You can look on eBay. Guys want between like $8 to $25 a piece for them. This one's got some chips and stuff, but it's a solid one. Wonder how many cars drove over that. Well, anyway, later. Alright, I'm back. I bet you this bass fisherman was mad. There's a bomber, a crawdad one, and it's actually one of the ones that actually looks like a real crawdad. I like these ones the best. The chartreuse ones aren't bad, but you can see all these logs and stuff here in the water. It's great bass fishing here, but it's better cat fishing. But this old boy cast it in here and got his bomber hung up. And hell, I'm gonna have trouble getting that. Don't want to get a rusty hook in my finger again. It's happened. The lips broke off. I just noticed that. That sucks. Oh man. Yeah, I guess you could tie it right there, but that ain't gonna work. Later. Alright, I'm back. Like 5-6 steps past where I found a fishing lure. And right here, that's hematite. And it looks like it's faceted here on this end. Yeah, it's a faceted piece of Indian hematite used to make red ochre. Look at that facet right there, it's broke, but man, that's a nice one there. You can see it there. It's a cool piece. It almost looks like a mirror. Later. Yeah, I'm back. I screwed up. I have a point. It doesn't look that nice anyway. If it was a smoker, I'd have been mad. But it was just a piece of it. It looked like a flake, and I flipped it with my shovel standing up, and right here it is. I got another one, folks. Holy crap. Even though it's not great, neither point's great, but the bone all is nice. I'm having a good day. And hell, that's nice material. That's kind of a unique piece. Look at the notches way up there. It's almost like it's double notch. But look at this. Oh man. That is definitely kind of cool. It's real nice river pebble agate, like that stuff that last pentagonal I found was made out of, and I found it here. Look, the notches are clear up here. And then it looks like there's another set down here. It's definitely a unique projectile. I'll get some pictures, put it up. It's not spectacular, but it's pretty nice. Later. Alright, I'm back. I got more finds. I need to multi-tech this place. That's probably an old barrel ring. But right here, horseshoe. And heck, that looks like... I think that's just a piece of that one. It is. It's splitting apart. But man, that's pretty big. Get that. Well, anyway, later.